Really nice to meet you, Norman. Trading out of Kashmir. Beautiful work on your instant funding 100K account. Really nice equity curve that you got there. Give me a bit of background about your trading before we get into discussing the actual account.
I started in back in 2017. I was in UAE working there. Suddenly on my social media app, there was an advertisement from one of the brokers. I knew nothing about trading that time. I started doing the demo account. Two or three times I put around $300. I made around 8,000 with WTI crude oil, but I knew nothing. I thought it was just like a lottery in UAE. So it's like that. I knew nothing about trading. So one day there was a crude oil inventories. I lost my 300 plus those $7,000-8,000 in that. So after that, I started learning. I took few of the courses and then it went on from there.
When you get that kind of like extensive experience, does it feel good when you start getting payouts from prop companies because you've already had a $2,500 payout from FTUK already? So what was that? What's that like when you get that first payout?
Of course, it's a great feeling. And from the FTUK, I had done with other prop firms, but there was a problem with the payouts, like usual, like how it works. So I wanted to try how FTUK. That's why I knew about the drawdown levels. It will come down, but I wanted to make sure about the payout that I get the
Yeah.
payout or not. So that's why I opted for the payout there. But it was on time, and I got it. Everything like it was very smooth there.
Yeah, yeah, it's really important part of the process, isn't it? Because once you've done all your trading, you need to have the confidence that you're working with a firm that's actually going to be paying you out as
Exactly.
well.
Exactly. That's why I opted for it, knowing that my drawdown will go lower, but then still I opted for the payout there to know how it is.
The actual account itself, well done, really nicely done. You are a gold trader and a Bitcoin trader. You're focusing on those core assets, immensely popular. Everyone is an aggressive trader on gold. Particularly so, I've registered 20 days trading, nearly just under 600 trades. That's 20 trades a day. It's an awful lot of trading that you've done on the account. Take me through your style. How are you actually working your analysis on a day to day basis with so many intraday trades?
I do mostly like I do some swing trades as well. If you see in my this account also, there are a lot of a few of swing trades as well. But I do short term scalps as well because in the gold you will see I had a lot of losses in couple of days there. But people say that you have to just be there, like you have to wait, close your system and then come back next day. But that's not how I do it because I do gold knowing that gold gives you opportunity every hour. If you know the location, if you know where to enter the trade, and if you know the direction, you can get the trade every hour in the gold. There is no problem in that. People say like when you're doing the prop firm accounts, you should take like 3 months, 4 months. I'm little bit aggressive about that. I don't believe in that. I believe you should go all out and do your best and enter the trades at the right locations, know the direction, and then you can do it. You can make it. There's no problem with that.
Yeah, that shows a lot of inner confidence as well to just tackle a market like that because it is a very manipulated market and just go for it every
Exactly.
single day, and you can see that aggression and it's paid off. It's really paid off. Your
Yeah,
average
exactly.
win was $139, but your average loss is a lot higher, two hundred and thirty
A
six
lot of
dollars. But it's that hit rate, 67.45%. That's where you're obviously
exactly.
pushing your edge in. So that's a real reflection on your style and your personality to really tackle the actual gold market.
That's how I do it. And if you see most of my trades, I go to I keep the SL to be with as soon as it goes towards my direction. I don't take loss, but sometimes you know how the gold is, how volatile it is. It takes the jump very fast. So there I had to take some losses. But usually what I do is how I strategize the trade. Once it goes up, I keep the SL to be, even if it closes with no profit at all.
Yeah, well, I mean, the equity curve itself is very, very smooth. There's a big dip in the middle. So I want you to just talk me
Yeah.
through what was going on in your mind as that equity was swinging back. I think it was sort of like the 11th of November, it bottomed out, and then you managed to sort of turn it around. What's going through your mind? Because to be that aggressive, you've got to have confidence that what you're doing is going to work eventually.
Exactly. It was when I was trading there. I remember exactly what happened. Everything was showing it was a bullish momentum. If you see M1, M5, M15, H1, all day it was bullish. But suddenly it came to the lowest of the day. But I lost some money there. But I knew it was the lowest of the day. I put the higher volume there, and once it went up, I recovered all the loss from there.
But once you over that hump, you've got full confidence that you're going to be able to glide it in where it needs to be. Consistency score, beautiful, just under the 20% level. It's a really tremendous performance that you've done. So, what is the final question? What is the plan? What is the long-term plan? Where is your, after you've been through all this and you've got this this beautiful way of trading gold? Where's it going to take you? What's your plan?
With FTUK, I would definitely, why I chose FTUK is mostly because of the scaling plans we have. I would like to scale as much as it's possible, but for now, like I told you, like I'd opted for the payouts as soon my drawdown was dipped, but I would not like to do. I would continue for the scaling plan. I would like to go as high as it possible. So I would like to go for that. It's a scaling option, which is the best you have in the industry. So I would like to opt for that, and I will be targeting the scaling plan there.
It's aggressive trading, and you're with the right firm for aggressive scaling. So I really, really sincerely wish you all the best of luck with it. The
Thank you
program
very
is
much.
there for you. Anything you need in the meantime, we are always here to help and support you. We'll get the payout authorized for you as well very soon. And yeah, appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.